Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review and sound test of Xmate Volt. I got the speaker from Amazon for 1600 rupees, but guys, trust me, Volt claims that it has a 10-watt speaker, but I don't think so. It's 10 watts. It's nearly 15 to 20 watts, guys, because this is the loudest 10-watt speaker I have ever heard, guys. It is just amazing that the amount of volume that this tiny speaker pumps out is just amazing. But the only thing is this: when you're playing at higher volume, the volume and the voice tends to crack at that level. But if you play it around 80 to 90%, it's awesome, guys. It's just awesome. And there's one more feature. I'll let you know when I'll turn on the speaker. So let's get into the packaging first. So as you can see, the image of the speaker in front, it says Xmate Volt 360 surround sound 10-watt wireless speaker. On the sides, it's got funky looking design. At the back, there are some specifications like connectivity is wireless, transmission up to 10 meters, frequency range, speaker size 52 mm, speaker power 5 watts, 2 speakers, battery 2000 mAh, playtime up to 10 hours, charge time up to 4 to 5 hours. Right guys, nothing on the side, again funky design on the side. So in the box there are just two contents, a USB cable and an auxiliary cable. That's it guys. So guys, here's the speaker. It's a rounded speaker. I love the design of the speaker that they have gone with. It looks like the Sony XB30. They have taken hints from that speaker, as you can see, and there's one more likeness. I'll let you know in that video later. So two speakers in the front, a bass radiator in the middle, the Xmate branding. On the top there are 5 buttons: mode, play, pause, power, volume back song, volume down, volume up, forward sound. At the back there is a micro USB port to charge the speaker, a LED, a full size USB so that you can play music through your pen drives, a microphone, an auxiliary input and a micro SD input. So the battery on this speaker is 2000 mAh. It gave me around 4.5 hours of battery life. It didn't play for complete 10 hours. The battery died at around 4.5 hours. So Volt claimed that it plays for 10 hours. It doesn't play for 10 hours. It was only, the battery lasts for 4.5 hours at 90% volume. Right guys, so I like this hint of gold that they have given in this speaker. So let me turn on the speaker and I'll show you one very special feature of the speaker.
Bluetooth mode pairing.
Yes guys, it's got LEDs not inside the speaker exactly, but in front of the speaker, like XB30. They have tried to make it look like the Sony speaker, but they have added the LED in front of the speaker. It looks very nice. When it's playing the music, it flickers with the music. There are 3 modes. You can turn it off, you can make the light glow constantly, or you can let the light flicker with the music. So I'll just show you those features when I'll playing the music. So I'll play some music for you. So just give me a second guys. So guys, we're ready to connect.
Paired.
So it will give you a notification that it's paired with your phone. Now the music. As you can see, it's blinking with the music. You can make it constant by pressing this button, and you can turn it off. I like the blinking version better. So guys, you must have got an idea of how loud this speaker is. It's just not possible that this is 10 watts, guys, because the amount of sound that this tiny speaker, it is actually not very big, it is quite tiny compared to the XB. I can literally hide the speaker behind it, it's so small, but the amount of sound being pumped out of this speaker is just not possible, guys. So as I said, the battery life on this speaker, I'm making a correction, lasted me about 4.5 hours at 100% volume. But guys, I think so you can get a little more juice if you play it around 80 to 90%, like maybe 6 hours you might get. But at 100% volume, I only got 4.5 hours of battery. And guys, I have no words left for this speaker, guys. It's just awesome. That's all I can say, guys. It's just awesome, guys. So if you're looking for a budget speaker which is very loud and has a nice bass response, do check out this speaker from Xmate Volt. And I think so you will be amazed and you will be shocked by the amount of music that this tiny speaker will pump out. Right, guys? So that's all from my side. I'll be coming out soon with another review. So do give this channel a subscribe, a thumbs up to this video, and I'll be coming back soon. So take care. Bye bye.